Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you two CRM programs and CRM tools. First one, straight away. First one is Keap and the second one is Salesforce. I will go through some pros and cons, then as you could saw, pricings for both of them, and in the end I'll try to tell you which one is better from the other. Both of them are great, but let's find out. So let's start with Keap. Keap is an intuitive sales, CRM and marketing automation software that can be utilized by businesses to enhance their sales and save time as well. Companies get to generate more leads, sort them out and forward the right kind of messages to the right people. They can also trust on the particular to generate a robust customer experience and get our loyal patrons. Its inbuilt features and functionality includes email marketing, reporting, and analytics, sales pipeline, CRM sales and marketing automations, appointments, payments, and more. Users can leverage Keap to generate custom forms and embed them within their landing pages and websites. This also helps them trigger automated actions in real time. Inbuilt SMS and email marketing feature helps users forward broadcast messages to individual target groups, driving in greater sales. They can also automate the entire sales follow-up and enhance lead conversion rates through the sales pipeline. They can be run at Android and iOS, and also providing very nice and generous help or online support on their website. As you could see, they start bothering me straight away. And I have to say that Keap is meant for medium and small businesses. So let's check it out. As you can see, we have the products here with Lite, Pro, Max and Max Classic, some features and pricing. This is the classic UI of the Keap. So I'll show you what can you do in this workspace. Basically, you have your home. At the moment, I have only one contact because I'm having this 14 days of trial with new leads, new clients, repeat clients, sales, quotes, and invoices. What is really nice is you can send a test invoice straight away. So it's very easy. You don't have to go to your program creating invoices. You can do it in Keap straight away. And as you can see, they are still bothering us. You have a contact that you can simply add a contact straight away. You can label it as lead, client, or other. They are different by the color. And also the tasks as a classic CRM tool. When we check the pricing plans, you can see that we have a limited time 30% off on your first 3 months, which is kind of nice, but you would rather see like one-time sale code. Straight away, you can try it for free, as I did, or start with Lite option, which is 56 a month for first 3 months and for 1 user and 500 contacts. You have the classic features, then Pro, which is 119 a month for first 3 months, then 169. 500 contacts and 1 user, but more features into it. And that's actually the version that you are working with when you are in your Keap tryout. And then Max, which is for 140 per month for your first 3 months, 199 a month. Includes 500 contacts and 1 user. So, as you can see, every single user more is plus 30 euros. So what about Salesforce? I believe when we are talking about CRM, everyone knows Salesforce. Salesforce is a futuristic customer relation management software, bringing companies and their customers together. The integrated software helps departments like commerce, marketing, sales, and service to get a unified view of each client. Moreover, companies can also leverage on the particular to deliver amazing shopping experiences to individual buyers. Automate time-consuming jobs, assure quick resolution to queries raised from the customers, front and strategize personalized marketing schemes. The solution serves organizations scattered across industries like retail, automotive, higher education, public sector, media, communication, hospitality and transportation, non-profit and more. With Salesforce, organizations get the advantage of joining the 150,000 and more like-minded companies, where they can find a massive community of experts ready to help in their company's growth. Besides offering an estimate of their return on investment, lastly, AI technology-equipped chatbot Einstein with the software helps companies reassess past interactions with individual clients and better understand raised queries. They have very nice support, and it's meant to be for all types of businesses. And you can run Salesforce on mobile and iOS as well. What is very nice about the Salesforce, as you can see in here, there's a tons of features. You can almost get lost in the Salesforce world. With this, I'm not even trying to go through all the features. It's simply not as many as at Keap, but I strongly recommend you trying it for free and find out which one is better for you. And there's not only advice about the Keap and Salesforce comparisons and integrations, but also for every single CRM that you are thinking about or considering for the future. Try the 14 days promo or trial and then decide. If you are a smaller company, I would definitely go with Keap, because it's easier to work around it, and most certainly you don't need that much of training. There's not that much of a training involved into Keap, but in Salesforce you will need help. But if you are a bigger company, that help is provided in the package from Salesforce, so you are basically automatically paying for it. So if you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video and we'll try to answer them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the other one. Goodbye.